Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix 3-finger app swipe gesture not working on Mac. So, if it is not working, the possible reason is maybe you have disabled the setting or maybe you have chosen the different option in the trackpad settings. To fix it, first up click on the Apple logo at the top left corner of the screen and then choose system settings. After that, in the left side pane, scroll down all the way and go to trackpad. Here click on more gestures, and as you can see here, I have turned off the setting swipe between full screen application. That's why the swipe gesture is not working on Mac. To fix it, click on the drop down menu right to it, and here you will see 3 different options. Usually Mac you just choose swipe left or right with 3 fingers, but you can also choose swipe with 4 fingers. Once selected, close the system setting and try swiping left or right with 3 fingers. If the gesture still not working, restart your Mac and test it again. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.